Are you like me? Are you always online? In this new world that we live in, it's so easy to be connected 24/7. And with the introduction of AI assistants like ChatGPT, being online has become even easier. We can ask AI to write us emails or messages, generate images and videos based on our prompts, and even make entire websites based on AI designs. It is truly incredible. But have you ever stopped to think about what these AI assistants might be costing us? I have, and I've come to realize that there are some hidden costs to all of these conveniences that we're taking for granted. So today, I want to talk about those costs, especially the ones that relate to our attention and our mental well-being. Ready? Let's get started. The first hidden cost of convenience that I want to talk about today is wasted time. You see, when things are easy to do, we tend to do them more often. And with technology, this means that many tasks that used to take a lot of effort or time are now just a few clicks away. However, while this is great for productivity, it also means that we often spend much more time on low-value activities than we realize. For example, I love to use AI tools to generate images for my thumbnails, but I've then noticed that I often end up spending way too much time playing around with different prompts and settings, instead of actually working on my videos. Or, how about all the times that you've opened your email only to find yourself sucked into a black hole of emails and notifications? Before you know it, a few minutes have passed and you still haven't addressed your most important tasks yet. These situations may seem like small inconveniences at the moment, but over time, they can really add up. If you're constantly getting distracted by these digital temptations, you could be wasting hours every day without even realizing it. This not only reduces your productivity, but it can also lead to feelings of guilt, stress, and burnout. The second hidden cost of convenience is distraction. With so many convenient apps and tools at our fingertips, it's easy to become distracted and lose focus. For example, social media platforms are designed to be addictive with infinite scroll feeds and push notifications that grab your attention at every opportunity. The constant barrage of information and entertainment options can make it difficult to stay focused on the task at hand. Whether it's studying for an exam, working on a project, or simply having a conversation. And let's not forget about the echo chambers that these platforms create by feeding us content that aligns with our existing beliefs and values. These platforms reinforce our biases and limit our exposure to diverse perspectives. This can lead to a lack of empathy and understanding towards people with different viewpoints, and can make it difficult to engage in meaningful conversations and debates. But it's not just social media. AI chatbots are also becoming increasingly good at mimicking human conversation and providing instant responses. While this can be convenient in some situations, it can also be a major distraction. It's easy to get sucked into a back-and-forth conversation with a chatbot, especially if it's designed to be playful or engaging. This can be problematic in situations where you need to focus on a task or be present in the real world, such as during class or while driving. The third hidden cost of convenience that I want to discuss today is a lack of self-discipline. When everything is readily available at our fingertips, it's easy to fall into the trap of instant gratification. Many of us have become accustomed to getting what we want when we want it. Whether it's fast fashion, food delivery, or streaming services, this convenience has made it difficult to delay gratification and work towards long-term goals. The truth is that building self-discipline is essential for achieving success in any area of life. It allows us to focus on what's important, resist temptations, and persevere through challenges. But when we constantly rely on technology to provide us with instant gratification, we make it more difficult to develop these crucial habits. For example, when you feel bored or unmotivated, it is easy to reach for your phone or laptop and start scrolling through social media feeds or watching videos. But doing so only reinforces the habit of seeking instant gratification and makes it harder to develop some. Instead, it's important to find alternative ways to manage boredom and stay motivated, such as taking a walk, reading a book, or talking to a friend. Next up is the idea that convenience leads to a decline in real-world skills. You see, when we rely on technology to do things for us, we often forget how to do them ourselves. For example, many of us struggle to cook a meal from scratch because we're used to ordering takeout or delivery food. We might not know how to sew a button back on because we're used to throwing away and replacing old clothes. And let's not forget about the classic example of using a map. Some of us might not even know how to read a physical map because we're so used to relying on GPS navigation. As we become more reliant on technology to do these tasks for us, we lose the ability to do them ourselves. And this decline in real-world skills can have negative consequences. Not only does it make it more difficult to perform everyday tasks, but it also reduces our ability to adapt to new situations. For example, if you're used to using GPS to get around town, you might be lost if your phone battery dies, or if you're in a new place that is unfamiliar to you. It's important to remember that not all skills are learned the same way. Some require practice and repetition to build muscle memory and familiarity. But even cognitive skills like problem solving and critical thinking can be diminished when we don't use them regularly. For example, if we always rely on technology to give us the answers, we may struggle to think critically and solve problems on our own. And finally, let's talk about the hidden cost of convenience on our mental health. With all of these digital tools at our disposal, it's easy to feel like we're living in a never-ending cycle of busyness. We're constantly connected and bombarded with notifications, emails, and messages that demand our attention. But when we allow technology to dictate our level of productivity, we sacrifice our mental health and well-being. Let's face it, feeling productive is great. There is a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Comes with checking off your to-do list and crossing items off your calendar. However, when we fall into the trap of being overly productive, it can take a toll on our mental health. We may start to feel anxious or stressed as we try to keep up with the demands of our digital lives. And when we're constantly in this state of busyness, we may start to neglect our own needs and well-being. We may skip meals, forget to take breaks, and sacrifice sleep in order to get ahead. But the truth is that this is not sustainable, and it can lead to burnout and other mental health issues. It is important to remember that rest is not a sign of laziness, and that taking breaks is essential to our well-being. Rest allows us to recharge and refocus on the tasks at hand. It gives us the opportunity to reflect and recharge so we can come back feeling refreshed and ready to tackle new challenges. So what's the solution here? Should we completely disconnect from technology and go off the grid? Well, I don't think so. Technology has brought so many incredible conveniences and benefits into our lives, and I believe that the key is to use these tools wisely and find a healthy balance. It is about being aware of the hidden costs of convenience and making conscious choices to avoid the pitfalls that I mentioned today. This means setting boundaries for ourselves when it comes to screen time and social media usage, being mindful of the language that we use with AI assistants, and making an effort to learn and practice real-world skills. It's also important to recognize the signs of burnout and prioritize our mental health and well-being. Taking breaks, practicing self-care, and seeking support when needed are all essential to maintaining a healthy balance. Finding this balance isn't easy, but it's worth it. By being mindful of the hidden costs of convenience and taking steps to mitigate them, we can harness the incredible benefits of technology while also protecting ourselves and our way of life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts on the hidden costs of convenience. And if you found value in this video, please consider sharing it with others. Until next time, take care.